So my small town is having a holiday parade. What a coincidence. I have a float. A trailer. It is a trailer, but it could be made into a float. Maybe. So what kit do I use? My most expensive drum set? My Pearl Masters Custom Gold? Or I should use my best sounding kit, my Custom Premier. If a parade is about appearances, I need to use my best looking kit, my sparkliest kit. That means this 1966 made in Japan Pearl stencil kit, which I'm pairing with a Ludwig Acrolite Black Galaxy snare drum. Cymbal selection. I'm going to be outside, there's no amplification, I want to be as loud as possible. For hats, I'm going 14-inch Bosphorus Golds. I've got a 12-inch Asgarian China cymbal I've put 12 rivets into, followed by a Supernatural's 20-inch Omega Ride cymbal I'll be using as a crash, a 16-inch Meinl Classics Dark China. For a ride, I'm going with a Z Custom Zildjian 21-inch Mega Bell star pattern, old school. And off my floor tom, I have an 18-inch Zildjian Rock Crash. I hope this will give me enough volume. It's going to be freezing cold and the metal will be brittle. I don't want to crack anything. All right, ready to roll this thing out and do it?
Let's do it.
I'm going to drop a stick for sure.
Well, if you don't drop a stick, I'll let you shave your mustache.
My favorite part was probably rolling through the neighborhoods. It was hilarious to see people running to their front doors to see what in the world was going on. People were lining the sidewalks. Kids were running alongside of the drum set. It was cold. It wasn't too bad, though. It was 25 degrees Fahrenheit. It was a 2-mile path, and we were going at walking pace. It took about a half hour. Have any regrets. It was a lot of fun, a lot of smiling faces, definitely a small town type vibe, kind of a homemade aesthetic. If you find yourself wanting to drum in a parade or maybe build your own float for your business for a promotional purpose, go for it. Just try and prepare for every contingency. The weather, stuff shifting around while you're playing. Trust your driver, it's another important one. Hopefully I've given you some insight or at least some ideas.